Hi, I'm Audra, and today we're going to make a project that adds a little pop to your bag or keychain and is completely customizable. Welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. If you're new to sewing or interested in sewing fashion-forward bags, our channel is the place to help you create confidently. We are so excited to bring you this free tutorial. Charms on bags in boutiques have become more and more prevalent over recent years. We feel this no-sew fun project is a great handmade version of those designer charms. This tiered tassel uses a few bits of scrap fabric while also including a new technique of adding quilting cottons to the back of your faux leather. During this tutorial, you'll learn how to utilize your small pieces of scraps to create a no-sew accessory that you can hang anywhere with no hardware. The finished size is 2 inches wide by 8.5 inches high. For this pattern, I was inspired by the yarn pom-pom charms that I've seen on boutique bags over the last few years, and I knew that we could make a handmade version that was just as stylish. Before we get started, be sure to grab this free pattern. See the description below this video and follow the link to access the pattern information. All the supplies you need are listed within the pattern. This project is suitable for cork and faux leather. The tiered tassel can be made out of cork or faux leather with quilting cottons as a lining. It is also a great opportunity to use up your scraps or upcycle. Once you decide on your fabrics, gather your pattern and supplies, cut out your pieces according to the pattern, and let's get started. For this project, you'll want main fabrics, lining fabrics, cutting tools, marking tools, heat and bond light, an iron, and a glue gun. Fuse 1 heat and bond pieces A, B, and C to the wrong side of each coordinating cotton lining piece. Peel away the paper backing from the attached heat and bond. With right side up, center and fuse each cotton lining piece A, B, and C to the wrong side of the coordinating main fabric pieces A, B, and C. The heat and bond light fuses at a lower temperature, so it's ideal for this project when using cork or faux leather. On the wrong side of each piece B and C, draw a horizontal line 1/2 inch below the top 3-inch edge. Mark vertical lines up to each horizontal line spaced 1/4 inch apart. Cut fringe on each pieces B and C following the marked lines. Optional, for a more delicate fringe, cut each at 1/8 inch wide up to the horizontal line. And for those of you who decided, this is what the optional 1/8 inch fringe looks like. Fold the piece A hanging loop in half, wrong sides together, matching raw ends. Secure the bottom 2.5 inches of the ends together with glue. Allow the glue to set or dry completely. Apply glue to the wrong side of the top non-fringe edge of piece B bottom tassel tier. Align the bottom end of the hanging loop with the marked horizontal line and uncut area of the piece B bottom tassel tier. Wrap piece B firmly around the hanging loop, keeping the top edge even. Allow the glue to set or dry completely. Apply glue to the wrong side of the top non-fringe edge of the piece C middle tassel tier. Align the bottom fringe edge of middle tassel tier 1 inch above the bottom fringe edge of the bottom tassel tier. Wrap C firmly around the hanging loop, keeping the top edge even. Allow the glue to set or dry completely. Repeat steps to attach the piece B top tassel tier above the middle tassel tier. Apply glue to the wrong side of piece D accent band. Align with the top edge of the top tassel tier and wrap firmly around the tassel. Allow the glue to set or dry completely. I hope you enjoyed making the tiered tassel. Make sure to let us know in the comments if you have any suggestions and show us how you made yours. Please share and show off your photos of your completed project. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtag Sallie Tomato and hashtag Create Confidently on social media so we can see it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out the rest of our Sallie Tomato products and patterns. And I hope that this video has taken you one step closer to creating confidently.